BSBA mo. BBA? Ay, Freshy here. Ay, Freshy? Freshy? Welcome to Bicol University, a university for humanity characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies.
Did you know that Bicol University is the premier state university in the Bicol region? It is founded on June 21, 1969 through the passage of RA 5521.
It is an institution that promotes scholarship, leadership, character, and service as its core value. Wait lang,
Bicol University is known for hosting several major annual events such as the Freshman Welcome Party, concerts, and the much-awaited the BU Week. It highlights the BU Hataw, MMBU, and the BU Olympic.
Provides students with opportunities for cultural exchange and personal development. Bicol University is everywhere.
Students have the freedom to choose from programs offered by the Bicol University from different campuses such as the Main, East, Daraga, Tabaco, Ginobatan, Polangi, Gubat, and the newly added Taligao campus. Do you want to know where Campus Magagaling came? Come and follow us!
The previous College of Arts and Sciences, a division of Bicol University, served as the foundation for the current Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management. With the formal establishment of BSBA in 2004, it formally started its operation on January 1, 2005. BSBA offers a range of undergraduate degree programs designed to equip students with skills necessary for careers in business, economics, and management. Those programs such as Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Economics, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, and under the Bachelor of Science in Business Administrations are Financial Management, Management, Marketing Management, Human Resource Management, Microfinance, and Operations Management.
Under the Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management is a program offered under the Department of Business Administration, which is the BSBA major in microfinance, a tool that will help economically challenged families or individuals be out of their financial struggle.
Are you guys ready to know why students choose BSBA Microfinance as their program?
Let's go and search for Arca Micros and find out why.
Hi! Hello! So is it okay if we interrupt your chikahan and ask some question? Yeah, sure. But before that, just take to dessert now. Ito what to do. I'm Giovanni. Today, Nana. And we're second year students. So why did you choose BSBA Microfinance as your program?
To be honest, I picked Bicol University's BSBA Microfinance program without much knowledge about the subject. It seems fancy and exciting, so I thought, why not try it? As I began to learn, I realized that it is all about helping individuals and communities grow through a small financial contribution. To know that I am studying something that would make a difference.
How about you? What's your experience as a microfinance student?
As a second year microfinance student, the first year was mostly about building a foundation in finance and economics. But now in my second year, I'm diving deeper into concepts like financial inclusion, credit risk management, and microlending. I've also had opportunities to work on case studies and group projects, which helps me to understand how microfinance works in real world.
So ikaw, what's your goal as a student?
One of my goals is to really understand microfinance and how it works. I want to learn the skills to create and manage effective microfinance programs. In the future, I hope to work with organizations that focus on reducing poverty and boosting economic development. However, my ultimate goal is to apply everything I've learned here, and not only to acquire a job, but also actually to assist others to improve their lives.
Thank you very much for lending your precious time and effort in answering our questions. Thank you!
Bye! Thank you po!
Before ending this video, here's a short message from the Vice President of Internal Affairs and the 4th year student under the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration major in Microfinance.
Introduce yourself. Hi, I am Nani Maravillo, the Vice President for Internal Affairs of Bicol University Microfinance Student Organization for the academic year 2024-2025. So what can you say to those aspiring students who are interested in taking up BSBA major in microfinance as their program?
So before, I don't really know what I want, and it's just my curiosity that I took up this program, the BSBA Microfinance. But at the present, I am in love with its main purpose, which is to alleviate poverty. So in the future, I am hoping and I am inspired to be one of the catalysts in changing the world by alleviating the poverty and to provide the wide range financial services like loans, insurance, and savings. So that's why I want to engage myself in being financially secured, and this program will help me to be prepared in the future. So that's all. Thank you.
We choose microfinance. Thank you!